Oh yeah. You want to see torque? That's some torque. Oh yeah, buddy. Okay, so today we're putting a green top barrow motor in the Barrosaurus. So we got this motor out of a 2007 model BF Falcon. It was a straight gas motor, and we swapped over the intake manifold on it yesterday. So there's a fuel rail there, and swapped over the wiring harness, so we should just be able to plug it straight in and have it working. Here we are, shiny new exhaust system. Just flip the factory manifold, welded in a muffler, and a little flapper to keep the rain out. Let's see how she sounds, eh? So you need some ear muffs for this puppy.